Hello children, today I am going to show you domestic animals. Domestic animals live in farms. That is why they are also called farm animals. So let us see some farm animals. Which animal is this? It is a cow. It is a cow. Yes, a cow gives us milk. Now, which animal is this, children? It's a sheep. It's a sheep. You've heard the poem, Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? So, sheep gives us wool, right? Now, which animal is this? It is a goat. It is a goat. Goat gives us milk. Now, which animal is this, children? It is a hen. It is a hen. Right? Hen gives us eggs. Hen gives us eggs. Now, which animal is this? It is a duck. Have you ever heard a duck go quack, quack, quack? Let us hear.
Quack, 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 quack.
Yes.
Quack, quack.
Now, which animal is this? It is a horse. It is a horse. Yes, this is how a horse neighs. A horse is used for carriages. You can use the horse to go from one place to another place. Now, which animal is this? It's a donkey. It's a donkey. A donkey carries load. Let us hear the hee-haw of a donkey. Yes, that's all for today. Take care and bye-bye. See you guys soon.